Hi, everybody. You know who's terrible at updating people? Me. Um, I'm working on it, but I make no promises of getting better. Anyway, book is ready. You can buy it right here now. It's a great gift for the holiday season, whether it's to yourself or to your loved ones. It is designed to customize your experience for your life. So please check it out. I'll check links in the description. Beautiful, good to go. But I am physically incapable of sitting still. Like, I've tried. I'm trying to take a break, and it's just not working. So, long term goal, I'm writing another book. Short term, more immediate goal, I am launching a podcast to go over the Practical Cannabis Guidebook to make sure that it, says what it needs to say, has a little more depth than what's actually capable of being contained in those pages. Because the bigger I made the book, the more expensive it had to be. And I'm trying to keep costs reasonable for people here. And oh, yeah. If you want to see me in person to ask some questions, I will be at the Dresden Night Market on November 26th in Dresden, Ontario. And you can feel free to stop on by, pick up a copy. You know they're going to be on sale for the, market. And I hope to see you guys there. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really, really appreciate all of you. Thank you. Stay tuned. Who knows what I'm doing next? Oh, wait, podcast.